Scan diagnosis is a methodology that reuses the design for test structures in the device to provide localization of where a defect location might occur in a post-fabricated semiconductor device. Tessent's offering for scan diagnosis is unique because it offers two different solutions. One for defects that occur within chains, that are the test structures of the device, and for logic in the device, so the scan diagnosis portion itself. The uniqueness of our offering is such that it's been proven methodology and technology over multiple technology nodes, including really advanced technology nodes as low as 2 nanometers. Scan diagnosis is regularly leveraged for yield analytics. The reason scan diagnosis is such an important aspect in yield analytics is that devices are tested before they're shipped, and devices that fail, those failing cycles that are collected on the tester can be a really valuable source of information, which is what scan diagnosis uses in order to make a determination as to what might be defective on a device. That failing information that scan diagnosis produces and that localization information that it produces for a failing die is used to corroborate other pieces of data on the manufacturing line to identify what might be causing a yield dropout or yield excursion, or even to initially improve the yield ramp in a device. So scan diagnosis is a critical component in driving failure analysis. Failure analysis is this process by which a failing device, a failing die, is analyzed in a lab. It goes through various stages, some destructive and some non-destructive techniques, to really pinpoint what kind of defect occurred on that device and if that's something that can be avoided to improve yield. So what scan diagnosis does is it localizes that defect location within the die. So it enables the FA analyst to really figure out which tools and which methodologies they might use in the FA lab to figure out exactly what might be going wrong with that device, and if something is systematic in their process that could be enhanced in order to produce better yield for the entire semiconductor manufacturing flow. To learn more about our test and yield offerings, please continue to follow us on LinkedIn or visit our webpage.